Hello and welcome. I'm Janie Ratsberg, and today I'm going to teach you how to play the Chopsticks Duet by yourself. Normally when you play chopsticks, when you're little, you use your two index fingers, and this is how you play chopsticks. And then I'm going to be teaching you to do your left hand down here, and then you're going to do your right hand will be the other partner, and that's how we're going to do that. Okay, so let's just go through chopsticks, how you first do it. So. All right, so now let's do it with our left hand. Okay, there we go. All right, good luck. Have fun with that one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications. Have a good day.